Hey everyone, this is Beauty again. We are heading to Barbecue Nation for my friend's birthday celebration. So this will be a review sort of a video, and we'll see and I'll inform you there. I'm not sure about the vlog because this is my first vlog and I'm pretty nervous. So see you there. So we are here and we will see what have they changed and what are the food qualities they have changed. Anything else has happened or not, because I have come here before. That's why I chose this place.
So you can see they are disinfecting everything super well, which I highly appreciate.
We are here, you can see. And we have our starters here. This is pineapple. This is mango chicken tikka. This is the malai tikka. This is mushroom. Now, and we have some mutton over here. So we'll just enjoy, and I'll tell you what the difference I can catch.
Tell them to give a brush over here. What I mean? Nothing. এটা বাসা ছিল এটা মাশরুম তাহলে পুড়ে যাচ্ছে তো ভাই না ঠিক আছে এটা না পুড়ে যাচ্ছে
Hana, your favorite? The favorite dish I like. See, I have my favorite over here, the crispy corn of Barbecue Nation. This is my favorite of all. Now you have the potato over here. This is also my favorite. This is the signature dish also.
Prawn.
Coastal barbecue prawn.
This is malai tikka.
Malai tikka again.
This is also malai tikka.
Malai tikka. Some pineapple. Okay. They have added another dish. This is a mustard fish. And this will be different. And some fuchka. I have not even finished my plate. So here is something new. This is immunity booster. It is made of sugar syrup, honey, some Moroccan honey, ginger syrup, and I don't know. Okay, so I'll have a taste and let you know. Tastes like tank. Bhagyashri, say hi. This is Shaptashi. This is our favorite Bapun.
That's a nice event.
This is mutton Rogan Josh. This is mutton biryani. Here we have garlic noodles. This looks yum. And some chili chicken. This is the butter chicken. Looks little thin, no? And this is butter naan. Some gulab jamuns, pastries.
This is kesar pista and this is rabdi malai.
So guys, we just finished eating and I'm heading out with my friends. So for the quick review, I want to say the starter was very good. Like usual, the usual menu was there and service was good. But the main course was okay. It is not as tasty as before, and the buffet was not there. So they provided the main course services. So that was a little hectic for them also. I don't know. The service was a little okay, and dessert was good. So the main thing is the price. So previously, till last week it was for 670, but from this week they are charging 760. So we paid 760 each. Okay, guys, take care. Goodbye. That is it. And I don't know how it will turn out. The video will turn out. So I'm pretty nervous and excited. I don't know. I hope you like this video.